Live video is an invaluable tool that ensures that you can connect to our Southwest teams easy and conveniently wherever you are in the UK. It can often be hard to really get to know someone over phone call or email, but on live video you can really build rapport with our Mercedes-Benz South West star experts on a more personal level. If you're unable to visit us at our Southwest showrooms, then live video is the perfect way for our digital star experts to give you a detailed tour of your model of interest. They can show you the specification, condition, and answer any questions you may have. It's also an ideal opportunity to discuss our protection options and figures. You'll find the link to our live video platform at the top right-hand side of our Mercedes-Benz South West website, or on the right-hand side of our product pages. From here you can select which teams you'd like to speak to, or request a callback and a digital appointment at a time and date to suit you. Alternatively, you can use the pop-up at the bottom right-hand side of our website and complete a short form with your personal details requesting which team you'd like to speak to, whether that's the team in Exeter, Plymouth, Taunton or Truro, or Mercedes-Benz South West online. Once you have been directed to the correct team that you're looking for, one of our digital star experts will send you a snap call link to start your video chat. And it's important at this stage that you provide access to your microphone and camera, although having your camera on is completely optional. Our digital star experts are available weekdays from 8 AM until 10 PM, Saturdays 9 AM until 5 PM, and also Sundays 10 AM until 4 PM. We look forward to hearing from you.